Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to paint in 3ds Max. All right, as you can see here, we have the viewport canvas tool, but we can't just click on paint right here and draw wherever you want. Okay, you'll need to assign a material to an object. For example, I'm going to go ahead and grab a box right here. Okay, I'm just going to draw it like that. And then after that, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to materials. Okay, or just press M or click it right here at the top, material editor. Now, once that's done, just right click on it and add in a material under general. It could be PBR, metal rough, spec plus. It's up to you. Okay. So I'm just going to click on one and here we have it. Now what we're going to do is just add base color map. Okay. Assign it to where or what? Under general, we have here bitmap. Just click on it. So I'm just going to go ahead and find a sample photo right here, or just a white canvas. Okay, you can just double click on it, and then after that we are going to assign the material right here to our object. So you can just go ahead and drag this one just like so, or you can use the select tool and click on the object. All right, as you can see. Now after that, you can close the material editor right here. Now you could open up the viewport canvas. If you can't find it, well, just go ahead over to tools right here at the top left. And here we have viewport canvas. So click on it and then just click on paint. Now here we have base color map number 1, which we have added earlier. So just click on it and here we have it. Okay. You can now go ahead and zoom in, change the color right here of your paint or start drawing. Okay. Change the color. Red, just like so. You could load some colors if you want to. If not, I'll just close it. Okay, you could add in whatever you want right here. Here we have the eraser. You have some layering right here. You can click on the plus sign to add another layer. Draw another circle if you want to. You could also click onto the view. Here we have it. Okay, you can draw from here. Just like so. All right. Now when you go ahead over to the material editor, now scroll all the way down from here at the right or at the bottom right. Click on the object. Under the bitmap, you can just click on it. And here we have it. And that's basically it. That's how simple it is to paint in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.